Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. The forthcoming bull market, especially in relation to XRP, will revolve around regulatory certainty, as Stuart Aldrey include a bombshell interview from earlier today, discuss the most recent developments with ARL-USD, and essentially, explain John Deaton's relationship with Gary Gensler in relation to your XRP holdings. Just wanted to touch on this again before we go into the Stuart Aldrich situation. John Deaton is well known for his strong support of XRP. Few comprehend the rationale, plot points, and, most likely, feelings behind his planned Senate campaign. His agenda is crystal clear, and he's up against Elizabeth Warren, or the caller, as she's now affectionately known, at 75 basis points. He plans to target Gary Gans and countless others. Just so you know, Tom Emner and a few others have asked for specific details, but John Deaton insists on denying them. To battle for investor recompense, there was purposeful malfeasance, cost $15 billion, and XRP holders were involved. Where does this stand in comparison to the truth? This has already been covered, however the SEC complaint is against Ripple, and more especially, the XRP token. They admitted they might have been mistaken in the end. Now, be careful not to get confused. XRP experienced a meteoric rise. It was significant. It was in sync with institutional investment and the latest and greatest, among other things. I was in the midst of a major rally when I was hit with a heavy, fine court case that has been dragging on for the past 4 years. The SEC eventually admitted that they might have been mistaken and that Ripple, not the token itself, was the problem after top-tier investors lost a disproportionate amount of money. I predict a heated campaign between John Deaton and the Senate, and if he succeeds, Gary Gensler will be out of a job immediately. Keep in mind that Donald Trump has promised to fire Gary Gensler, and he plans to pay for it tonight at a New York bar with Bitcoin. Not only might this be extremely bullish for the markets as a whole, but it could also be the major impetus for XRP to reach the astronomical values that many have predicted. However, what is the major storyline for today? By the way, Stuart, the Elder Tree was addressing the Sarson Center for Financial Markets and Policy with regard to regulatory clarity and its manifestation upon lifting, as opposed to rippling. This is becoming exciting. I'm going to play a 14-second clip for you right now, but we'll get to his take on what's coming and, more importantly, how it connects to Ripple in the end. We aim to become the go-to source for business crypto solutions assistance once the regulatory fog lifts and US policy is clear. So, what I find intriguing is that he mentions the US-based enterprise's most reliable source for crypto solution support. Quite a few individuals, however, hold the view that the teams who are dumped on XRP are actually selling tokens, and they are staunchly opposed to the idea. It is their firm belief that they have zero interest in XRP's future prospects. However, the fact that Stuart holders have openly stated their intention to do this tells you two things. First, that they are the most trusted source for enterprise support for crypto solutions in the US. Second, that they are able to make this declaration. For starters, the SEC isn't re-entering the fray. More importantly, they fulfilled their promise to be a worldwide corporation, a solution for international payments, and a cryptocurrency that everyone can use on a local and national level. That video, and its potential ties to the BRICS nations, were topics of yesterday's discussion. That is fascinating. In my opinion, this is just going to get worse for Gary Gensler, and I expect to see more of it as the situation develops. When you add in the soon-to-be-released ARL-USD, Ripple transforms into a formidable force with a native token perfectly suited to its intended purpose. Wait a second, you might be thinking, but there are plenty of stable currencies. So, why is ARL-USD being used? Now consider this. The stablecoin market is worth $100 billion. Companies like PayPal and Ripple have entered the fray, with their respective PIAST and USD coins having been released at least 6 months ago. The focus here is on blockchain-based security and transparency, with the potential to provide stability tied to fiat currencies like the USD or the euro. As this unfolds, It will be fascinating to see how Ripple is positioned in relation to financial institutions, global system payments, and a host of other things. Then what is the matter with the graph? There are sell zones and buy zones on my chart, as you can see. Trade Assist software looks like this. The description includes a link that will help you trade all of your cryptocurrency and forex positions more effectively. You can use their bullish momentum, buy zones, sell zones, and bearish momentum to your advantage while trading cryptocurrencies. Both a basic and a premium service are available from them, depending on your current level of trading expertise. There is a link in the description if you are interested, so go ahead and check it out. You will require an exchange, but once you do, you may start trading in a flash after you sign up. Drop by Mexi on your way down there. If you're interested in futures trading as well, they provide leverage of up to 200x. Any trader would be happy to have a cooperation with Trade Assist and Maxi, which is why there is a link. You get new bonus signups and more, much more. However, XRP's price, what's happening with it? Well, keep an eye on the near term because Trade Assist is indicating a bullish trend. The 4-hour chart shows positive upward momentum, which is fantastic news. Not only that, but RSI divergence is also pointing in the right direction, suggesting more gains beyond these important support levels. Therefore, this may indicate a bold action. On the heels of the Fed rate cuts, Bitcoin at 1.5% looked fantastic today. Must be beneficial. We will remain closely monitoring this. Mark 6267 in your calendar. If we break it, I predict the ripples will continue all the way to 70 cents. Also, $1 soon, as everyone is saying. In the event that Bitcoin reaches 100,000 by year's end, I would anticipate XRP to reach $1, if not more. But as usual, I would love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. I would appreciate your opinion on the matter involving Elizabeth Warren and John Deaton. Would love to hear your take on it. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.